Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, or if you're new here then my name is Eve. I post all sorts of makeup and beauty related videos. Excuse me, look, I have been at placement all day but I got this little beauty delivered while I was out and I thought I need to open it right away. If you've watched any of my mystery box unboxings you'll know that I never sit and do my makeup, I just want to dive into them right away. But let's just tell you what it is. This is the PLouise Budget box. This was £30. I think I did pay £7 for express shipping, which is it's quite pricey, but I think it's either worth like £70 or £79. It's got 7 items I believe, and it did ask you to pick like a brow shade, so that leads me to believe that there's brow products in here. So if you like mystery boxes and makeup in general, then I would love it if you would subscribe, because that's what my channel is all about. So thank you. And also if you do like the video while you're watching it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. So here it says, "Open me up babe, I know you've been expecting me. I've travelled the world to find you, now let's take it to the next base." I don't know if that's what all our bags say, I can't remember. So here it's here. It says budget box. It's a wee small square. I believe she says that she'll be doing these every month, and I think she also says something about there being a palette in the next one. It contains like exclusive products and also some products she's got already, but maybe some new shades, that kind of thing. So this says, "The most reliable way to protect your future is to create it." Now she's a fan of her quotes, isn't she? And it does come properly sealed. Never get these boxes. So let's see what's inside. Invoice. Right, okay. Now I wonder if everyone gets the same in these or if they get something different. I'll need to see who else is doing unboxings, and I know Alex and Lucy and the girls and Megan all got one, so let's just see. So first of all I have a brush. This is a PLouise cancelled brush, and what is the actual name of it? PLouise P125. I don't even know if you'll be able to see that, but it's just one of these wee angled brushes. These are always handy. I like these for my lower lash line, for my upper lash line, they're always handy to have. And then we have the 2 brow products, so this is exciting. In fact, let's just go through the other things first. So the next thing is one of these PLouise bases in, is this shade XOXO? No, PLouise Start Naked. So you can. I've got no idea what shade name it is, but this is what it looks like. And that is the shade name if you can make it out. I wanted to try these, but I found they were so expensive I wasn't sure whether to pick one up, but Amy Louise did do an absolutely fantastic video. Right, this is an interesting colour. Quite a unique, wait a minute, just a bit lighting. Quite a unique shade. I don't think I've got a shade that colour. Some people would say it resembles something in particular. If you know what I'm talking about, then you know what I'm talking about. But I'm so excited to have one, and I'm so excited to see if everybody gets the same shades. And then next I have this wee parcel thing, and it says, "I'm yours." It says, "I saw you checking out my package," which is so cute. So let's just open it up and see what's in here. Oh wow, right, okay, this is a nice wee parcel. So in here I have this one, which is Basic Cosmetic Base in the colour Keeping It Khaki. So this is what this one looks like. Do you want it all down, all lighting of mine? And then we have a normal base, and this is in the shade 2.5, which might be a wee bit dark for me. And then we have a base, another base, and this is in the shade Purple Passion. And that is that shade there. So I'll just swatch I maybe not swatch the base because I might not keep it, it might not be the right colour for me, but let's just swatch the bases. Now, you'll need to let me know, are these bases good? I've never tried the bases. I've tried the acid rain paints and the crisp finish ones, and I don't use them nearly as much as I should, but they are really nice products. But let me know how to use the bases. Do you literally just use them like as a base? I know that's probably a really stupid question, but I'm really excited about the khaki one. Oh yeah, look at a towel in. So that is the three colours. So khaki is obviously the greeny one, purple is obviously the green one, and the other one is the lip colour. The more I'm looking at that lip colour, the more I think it's actually quite cool. It reminds me of a lipstick that people were going mad for. I think it's one of the melt ones. That is really excited. I'm so excited to have some bases. Like, none of these products I've got. So let's go on to the brow things. I think these are both new. So I have the I See You're Beautiful. This is the eyebrow gel, and this is in the shade Blonde Blend. I wasn't sure what colour to get, so I went with Blonde Blend just because my hair's a bit lighter now. And moment of truth, let's see the spoolie. Right, that isn't a tiny spoolie, but it's fine. I don't know if she has more than one type of brow product coming out, but it's a nice colour. It's not too light. So that is the colour down at the bottom there. It's the perfect colour for me, I think. And then we have the eyebrow pencil, and this is again Blonde Blend. This is May Your Coffee Be as Strong as Your Brow Game. And this is just the eyebrow pencil, I think. So let's give this a wee try. So just a skinny kind of brow pencil spoolie on one end. Let's get into it to see the tip. I'm quite surprised that we've not got like a flat brush, because normally when you get a parcel from mine you get about 10 of them. So that is surprising, but that's fine. So I hate packaging, like. So that is the wee spoolie. So nice wee spoolie there. And then eyebrow pencil. Oh, it's tiny. Like, you can see how small that is, so I'll just swatch it next to the... So that's it underneath the brow gel. Now maybe it is slightly warm, but I think I'll be able to get away with that, no bother. So yeah, that's the box. I'm pretty chuffed with that. Like I say, a lot of people are mad for PLouise and they buy like everything that she releases. So for a lot of people, a box like this could possibly have been like full of stuff that they already had, but this one isn't. Like, I think it's full of kind of unique things. You'll need to let me know if any of the two shades, and even the lipstick, like, are any of these just for this box. Like, I'm quite intrigued to find that out. So yeah, I think it's that's not even that. Right, I'm just talking rubbish now. Where's the other base? Here, sorry. That was the brow gel I was holding up. But you'll need to let me know if any of these are kind of exclusive shades. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that box. So I'm so excited to see what she's going to bring out next month, because I will without doubt definitely be buying one of them as well. So yeah, if you did make it to the end, then thank you so much for watching. I do apologise about the way I look in this video, but I've just had a really kind of long, kind of stressful day in theatres today. So there we go, there's nothing much I can do about that. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you would do so and join me on here, and leave me a comment down below, like I say, tell me if you get one, if you get the same in yours, and also what are the exclusive shades. So thanks for watching. Bye.